5 Lessons from Atomic Habits. Ang goal ng Atomic Habits ni James Clear is tulungan kang mag-improve kahit 1% every day. Lesson number 1, small habits make a difference. 1% improvement araw-araw, malaking effect yan over time. Lesson number 2, focus on identity, not outcome. Yung sinasabi mo na, I'm the type of person who takes care of my body. Yan yung magdadala ng consistent action. Lesson number 3, system over goals. Hindi enough ang goal. Kailangan may routine ka. Gawa ka ng schedule for gym, work, learning, and rest. Focus sa system. Lesson number 4, environment matters. Tanggalin yung distractions, ayusin mo yung surroundings mo. Tanggalin mo yung umuubos ng oras mo. Yung kailangan mo para sa mga dapat mong gawin, ilagay mo sa madali lang makuha at makita. Lesson number 5, habits compound. Mas okay yung 5 minutes pero araw-araw kesa intense nga pero once a week naman or once a month. Progress comes from consistency. Apply mo to. Don't just learn, do it. Kasi walang progress sa overthinking.